కొట్టాలి మరి ఛార్జింగ్ ముందే లేక నేను చూస్తూ ఉంటాడు
I only don't know what they did. They were preparing your class and they took one class and then I was updating the time sheet. That time
Audible? Audible now? Guys, a very good morning to everyone. I welcome you all for one more training for the day. It's a training called Sixth Training. Right. So the co-host, I request the co-host to give me the backend support. If something goes wrong, you have to guide me up because I'll not know. Everybody is mute mode. So the co-host only can guide me. Homeraji and Chandanji, somebody can guide me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you so much. Yeah. So thank you so much. Is my voice audible now, Miraji?
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Guys, today we're going to talk on an important topic, a mistake what people do in network marketing. a mistake what generally people do in the network marketing. I'm going to talk today about a mistake, which is the most important topic, and you as a trainer should be knowing this, so that your team, Samantha, you might be doing it, or your team might do it that. So if you avoid this mistake, you can, right, you can get a lot of things. You can delay your success actually, मतलब you can avoid delaying your success. तो जहाँ पे लोग अपना सक्सेस डिले कर देते हैं ना, तो ये मिस्टेक अवॉइड करने से उनका सक्सेस कहीं ना कहीं जाके डिले हो, मतलब डिले होने से बच जाएगा. तो आप लोग ये मिस्टेक करते हो एंड आपकी टीम भी करती है, तो कहीं ना कहीं आप लोगों को ये जाके ये चीजों को बदलाव लेके आना पड़ेगा. यू टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज इन दिस थिंग्स. What mistake you might be doing it. So what is the mistake? I hope today you have came to my new beginners meeting. Yes or no? I hope the meeting was good. How many of you, right, have came for this meeting? For new beginners meeting, which was 7 p.m. it was. Yes or no? Right. I hope you all learned that. Yes or no? In that, after the new beginners meeting, after you train to the fresher, one common mistake they do it. But you as a trainer should catch up the common mistake. So that if you catch up the common mistake, na, you can understand ki where my team is actually wasting the time. How can I save my team from going to a wrong direction and saving my team to come in the right direction so that they can save the time? Yes or no? So today I'm going to talk about that mistake. Yes or no? Which is a pretty important thing. Before that, I'll be showing you one document called as the day one training document. If how many people will be joining the network? The moment a person joins your team, what is the first activity to be done with him? The first and the foremost activity after shopping, that is called day one training. This is mandatory training. I hope you all have this document of day one training. Being as a trainer, I already thought this everybody does it training. Yes or no? Is my screen visible to you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's not.
G. Yeah. Okay. So this is the basic training document that's called day one training document. Anybody joins, right? It's your personal duty. Within as soon as he joins, within 24 hours, his day one training is mandatory. If you're not doing the day one training, the guest is still a guest only. He joined you, he became a distributor, but still his mindset will be of guest. Why? Because you just joined him and you left him. Joining and leaving people will not get you to a good start. After joining people, you need to train people. That's very much important. Within right 24 hours, the day one training should be done immediately. What happened that if anybody joins anything, he'll be very excited to know that. Yes or no? Example, an Amazon order came to your home. Will you not be so excited to open the order, how it is, what I was being ordered? Till now I just see the pictures. Let me see live now. Will you not be excited? Similar way, your guest also after joining Vestige will be very excited to share with people. The moment he'll be start sharing with people without having a right knowledge, if people gave him a wrong information, somewhere the other he will become negative. If he's becoming negative, somewhere the other, it is not the mistake of the guest, it is a mistake of you as a leader has not taken initiative to train him on time. Yes or no? So this is a basic document to be trained to anybody and everybody joining a network. That is called, we call it as a day one training. The moment you join, the day one training should be done. Or we also call it as a day one diary training. Day one diary training, because it is to be written on the diary. Yes or no? Let me not explain this in detail because you already know about this very well. First thing we explain them called profile of the company. And profile of the company, we explain them managing director, sales and operator, who is the who are the owners of the company, when it started, how many people are working in the company, how many branches they have, how many offices they have, what is the turnover of the company, what is the rank of the company in the world and as well as in India, and also where not it is present internationally, how many people are getting payouts from Vestige, and how many people are earning highest paycheck, how many people have a luxury car, how many, who is the top seller, top earner in Vestige, and what is the joining fees is zero, what is the joining age, free boardroom, free launches, what are the different types of training meetings, what company does from the company trainers, and how many products company has, business centers, missed call alerts, customer care toll-free number, WhatsApp query, email query, and official website. This is the basic information about the profile of the company. I hope everybody knows this. Yes or no? This is a very basic thing. We have been training this from last 15 months, and I hope everybody and anybody and everybody knows about this. This is a basic common thing, which is nothing new yet. This is a very common concept. So first we will be educating the person about the company, what company it is, which company you join, how you join, what company is doing, what all things are there in company. We train him on the basic things of the about the company. Then we train him on something called as why Vestige. Why did he join Vestige? What he want to accept from Vestige. We make him write his emotional list, why list basically. That is called as the emotional list and the materialistic list. And in emotional list, we make him write 10 points. And in the materialistic list, we make him write 10 points. I hope you all know all these things. Very basic it is. Emotional list, materialistic list, on all. Minimum 10 points, we make him write there. What is emotional list? Emotional is something related to emotions, which can be felt but cannot be touched. Example, see, what can be the emotional dream? Emotional dream in a sense, sir, I want to become retired early. That is called emotional dream. Sir, I want to improve my skills. Emotional dream. Sir, I want to make my parents retired. Emotional dream. Sir, I want to pay my college fees or my parents' hospital expenses. I should be or known. That's called emotional dream. Yes or no? Right. Sir, I want to improve my own skills. Sir, I want to have name and fame. I want respect. That's called emotional dream. Right. So this is called emotional list, and that minimum 10 points you need to write in the emotional list. तो आफ्टर इमोशनल लिस्ट कम्स योर मेटलिस्टिक लिस्ट. इसके बाद आएगा आपका मेटलिस्टिक लिस्ट, जहां पे आप मेटलिस्टिक में क्या करोगे, आपके मेटलिस्टिक ड्रीम लिखोगे आप. मेटलिस्टिक ड्रीम इन द सेंस समथिंग रिलेटेड टू मटेरियल, जहां पे आप उसे टच कर पाओगे या कर पाओगे या महसूस कर पाओगे उसे, मतलब टच कर पाओगे समथिंग. क्या क्या रहेंगे आपके मेटलिस्टिक ड्रीम. मेटलिस्टिक ड्रीम में क्या क्या आएंगे, ये आएगा आपका एग्जांपल, सर मेरे को गाड़ी लेना है, ये होगा आपका मेटलिस्टिक ड्रीम. सर आई वांट टू बाय अ कार, मेटलिस्टिक ड्रीम. सर आई वांट टू बाय ज्वेलरी, मेटलिस्टिक ड्रीम. ऐसा नो. सर आई वांट, सर मेरे को दुनिया घूमना है, ये भी आपका मेटलिस्टिक ड्रीम रहेगा. ऐसा नो. सर मेरे को घर लेना है, बंगलो लेना है, मेरे को पेरेंट्स को कुछ गिफ्ट करना है, मोबाइल फोन गिफ्ट करना है. दिस आल्सो कम्स इन द मेटलिस्टिक ड्रीम. जहां पे समथिंग मटेरियल आ जाए तो बाय डिफॉल्ट आ जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा मेटलिस्टिक ड्रीम. आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है कि व्हाट इज इमोशनल लिस्ट, क्या होता है मेटलिस्टिक लिस्ट. 10 पॉइंट्स हम लोगों को लिखाएंगे. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आगे बढ़ते हैं. हम लोगों को बोलेंगे ड्रीम्स लिखने के लिए, शॉर्ट टर्म ड्रीम, मिड टर्म ड्रीम, लॉन्ग टर्म ड्रीम. और हमें उनको बोलना है कि स्मार्ट वे से आपको ड्रीम लिखना पड़ेगा. SMART स्मार्ट. स्मार्ट का मतलब क्या होता है, स्पेसिफिक, मोटिवेशनल, अचीवेबल, रियलिस्टिक एंड टाइम बाउंड. ऐसा हो. एग्जांपल, एक एग्जांपल लेंगे स्मार्ट ड्रीम का होता क्या है मतलब. एग्जांपल, सर आई वांट टू बाय फोन. फोन ये एक डिवाइस है, अभी तक आपने स्पेसिफिक किया नहीं कौन सा ब्रांड का फोन चाहिए आपको. सर आई वांट टू बाय एग्जांपल एप्पल आईफोन. अभी भी स्पेसिफिक हुआ नहीं है. एप्पल आईफोन में बहुत सारे मॉडल्स आते हैं, आपको क्या चाहिए. सर आई वांट एप्पल आईफोन 11 प्रो. दैट इट बिकम स्पेसिफिक एंड स्टिल कैन नॉट बिकम इन एप्पल आईफोन 11 प्रो मैक्स फोन में. नाउ शुड डिसाइड हाउ मेनी जीबी यू वांट. 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, what GB you want. That is called specific. Or which color you want, specific. ऐसा हो. And कहाँ से लोगे आप, specific. ऐसा हो. That is called specific dream. Right. So you should write example. If I tell you a way of a specific dream, I want to buy an Apple iPhone 7 Plus, 128 GB, rose gold color. Right, from Apple Eye Center in Orient Mall, worth rupees 71,000. Right, on 31st December 2020. That is called smart dream. I think आपको समझ में आ चुका है कि स्मार्ट ड्रीम का मतलब क्या होता है. इस तरीके से आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंट कॉल टाइम बाउंड. टाइम लिखना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं, अपना टाइम ही लिखते नहीं लोग वहां पे. दैट इज द रीजन वो हमेशा अपना सपने डिले करते हैं. ऐसा नो. जब तक एग्जाम में, राइट, एग्जाम में भी टाइम लिमिट नहीं होता ना, तो बच्चे लिखते रहते हैं. ऐसा नो. तो टाइम बाउंड क्रिएट अर्जेंसी. जहां पे आपका टाइम आ जाता है, टाइम का लिमिट आ जाती है, यू बिकम अर्जेंसी. आपके अंदर एक अर्जेंसी पैदा हो जाती है. ऐसा नो. Or you feel like I have less time, I should do more. So somewhere that's called pressure. And human being actually does work when he's in pressure. Pressure में क्या होता है मालूम, आप बड़े से बड़ा काम भी छोटे टाइम में कर लोगे आप, जब आपके अंदर प्रेशर आ जाएगा. जब आपके अंदर प्रेशर नहीं रहेगा ना, तो आपका छोटे से छोटा काम भी आप लंबे देर तक भी कर नहीं पाओगे आप. तो टाइम लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. बहुत सारे लोग गलती क्या करते हैं, बहुत सारे many people don't write the time. That's the reason why they struggle. why they actually don't get ahead in business? Why? Because they don't write time. हमें सपने लिखते तो हैं, सपने के साथ साथ कब तक अचीव करना है, till when I want to make it happen. That time limit is the most important thing which many people fail in that. But you as a trainer should make sure that your people are writing the time limit. वो लोग अपना अपना टाइम लिमिट लिख रहे हैं. That's pretty important. और नेक्स्ट होता है फोकस. फोकस का मतलब क्या होता है? फॉलो वन कोर्स और ड्रीम अनटिल सक्सेस. जब तक कामयाबी नहीं मिली तब तक हमें फोकस रहना ही पड़ेगा. करके आप फोकस करोगे तब आप लिखवाओगे शॉर्ट टर्म ड्रीम. 1 से महीने से 4 में क्या क्या अचीव करा लिखो आप. In next coming 5 to 11 months, what do you want to achieve? That's called midterm dream. Then you write a list called 1 year to 2 year. What do you want to achieve? That write a dream. That's called your long-term dream. I hope आपको समझ आ रहा है. I hope you're getting it. How exactly it is. When I show you my dreams, na, this is how I wrote my dream when I started my business. Yes or no? I used to write my short-term dream like this. This is the short-term dream what I want to achieve. आप देख सकते हो. A Parker pen was a short-term dream. एक डायरी लेना एक short-term dream था. एक जूते एक a branded shoes was of worth rupees 3,000 4,000 was a short term dream. Getting a watch of 5,000 was a short term dream. Buying this all this like appraisals was a short term dream. Yes or no? Then midterm dream. Midterm dream was I want to buy an Apple iPhone. I want to buy a bike. The long term dream was I want to go to Dubai country or I want to travel the international countries. Yes, so that was a long term dream. And I also want to buy a car. That was a long term dream. ऐसा gifting it to back to parents, long term dream था. And एक और दिन था कि parents को यह कि एक pilgrimage to Mecca लेके जाना है. That also was a long term dream. Like this, even becoming a national speaker or becoming a state speaker, that all was a dream. Similar way, even you need to write your specific dream until when you want to achieve it. जब आप लिखोगे तभी तो achieve कर पाओगे. From today onward, you should make sure that you and your team are writing their dreams. एंड हम लोग यहाँ पे मेहनत जो कर रहे हैं, हम लोग अपने ड्रीम्स पूरे करने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ टोटली मेहनत कर रहे हैं हम लोग. ऐसा no. तो over then comes a fear list. In fear list what happen? Whatever the fear you have while starting the business or during the business, whatever जो भी आपके अंदर एक डर रहेगा या एक fear रहेगा, आप उस चीजों का आपको नोट डाउन करना पड़ेगा fear list के अंदर. जब आप नोट डाउन करोगे fear list के अंदर तब आपको क्लैरिटी मिलेगी. उसके बाद क्या यार ये डर है, तो आप हम लोग मेहनत करेंगे कैसा इस डर को निकालना है, सो दैट आप लोग जाके इस डर से आगे बढ़े आप. ऐसा हो. सो मूविंग ऑन फर्दर, ये रहेगा आपका मिस्टेक लिस्ट. जहाँ पे जो भी आपका मिस्टेक रहेगा ना, राइट, तो आपको जाके यहाँ पे मिस्टेक लिस्ट आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज मिस्टेक लिस्ट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज एक्सपीरियंस लिस्ट. जहाँ पे जितने भी आप गलती करोगे वो एक्चुअली आपका एक्सपीरियंस आप लिख रहे हो. वहाँ पे आप एक्सपीरियंस लिखोगे नहीं तो आप हमेशा गलती की बार बार दोबारा रिपीटेडली यू विल बी कीप डूइंग द मिस्टेक. सो यू शुड मेक श्योर दैट कि इफ यू आर राइटिंग द मिस्टेक लिस्ट, you are not bound to do the mistake again and again. A mistake list is very important, right? And moving on further, guys, and here रहेगा आपका top 30 contact list. So we always need to write the contact list, the top 30 contact list. The top 30 contact list is pretty important. Yes or no? Right. So top 30 contact हम लिखना पड़ेगा. In what way? The contact list should be written in this format: serial number, name, institute or the profession, his place and his contact number, and also his trust factor. And the trust factor should be between 0 to 100. How much trust the guest does on you. आपके पर वो गेस्ट कितना भरोसा करेगा आप लिखोगे, ना कि पूछोगे जाके कितना भरोसा कर रहा है भाई करिए. ऐसा हो. So you should judge that कि how much trust he has on you, and based on the trust factor we invite people. So you should make sure that your team is writing all this contact list in this fashion, and मतलब इस फॉर्मेट में वो लोग लिखेंगे और आपको क्रॉस चेक करना है. टॉप 30 why top 30 contact list? See, some people might have very best friends, ऐसा हो, a good trust factor they have, ऐसा हो. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि आपको ज्यादा कन्विंस नहीं करना पड़ता लोगों को. जैसे वो बताएंगे आप करो तो वो बंदा बाय डिफॉल्ट करने लग जाएगा. वो क्यों? बिकॉज आप कर रहे हो. ऐसा हो. तो ये होता है हमारा टॉप 30 कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट. ये लिस्ट तो लोग लिख लेते हैं, राइट. आगे बढ़ते हुए एथिक्स कल्चर होते हैं कि हमें गुड मॉर्निंग का कल्चर होता है, एंड वी योर नेम इज फॉलोड बाय रेस्पेक्ट विद जी हम लोग बोलते हैं. ऐसा हो. आपका टैग मिल जाएगा वेस्टिजियन. आपको टूल्स कैरी करना पड़ेगा. ये this all these tools I have told today in the new beginners meeting. The same tools I have written here. It is the format: diary, pen, business card, PPT booklet, network marketing book, tie, attire. That's called white shirt tie, white shirt, black formals, pant, and tie. Smartphone with data. I'm giving you every data every day. Whatever the training meeting I'm taking, I'm WhatsApping the data it on a daily basis. ऐसा no. You need to have a record. आपको सेव करके रखना है, so आगे आपको यूज होगा आपका. जब भी आप आगे टीम को आप ट्रेन करोगे तो that can be a very helping hand tool for you. So आगे बढ़ते हुए, like you have to have a car book, t-shirt and positive attitude and a confidence. And no ego, because no go ego meaning you already know it. I'm not telling you in detail because you already seen that. I'm just trying to brief you out. So let's not waste much of time on this. Let's go on with the further topics. Karke, yes or no? So I'm just trying to brief you out. I'm not going in much detail about it. Right. So then come the VESI system. What is this? You have to be 100% user of all the products. Then share the product what by doing regular activities. What are the regular activities? Contact list, invitation, presentation. ये सारी चीजें आप करना पड़ेगा. This is called as your regular contact list, and that goes on it on a daily basis. Then the third thing is called as the reading network marketing books. I already told you which book to refer. Called as Be a Network Marketing Millionaire. I hope everybody need to have this. After saying repeatedly, also many people still don't have this. So as a trainer, I request you, all of them, to go out and fast make an order on Amazon. Take this book. This book will actually teach you how to become a millionaire. Yes or no? So network marketing is actually a teaching and training business. People think like it is a sales business. No, it's actually not. It is not a sales business. Big money don't come from sales. Big money comes from developing leaders. If leaders are there, business will happen automatically. Big money comes when the business enter into autopilot mode, and the autopilot will happen only when you train people, when you develop people, and you do all these things. Right? It's good to see that Imranji is reading a book. Similar way, I request everybody to start reading the book. This book is pretty important, guys. You need to start referring it up. Very important. If you're saving 200 rupees, you're missing 1 lakh rupees. If you save 200 rupees, forget 1 lakh. If you want 1 lakh, then invest 200 rupees. Not a big deal. It is a very much profitable deal by investing 200 rupees. So I did my investment. I have bought so many books. You also need to buy one if you want to earn lakhs. Moving on further, there are so many books out there, but I would recommend you to just go to the first book, and after that we recommend you more books called Business School is there, Rich Dad Poor Dad is there, and I With the Field Guide, 101 Ways book is there. I'll be making you read some book pages today. I'll be making you read 3 pages of book. What a mistake! By reading book, how you can avoid yourself by doing a mistake. Yes or no? If you're having a knowledge, you will avoid the mistakes. So knowledge is very much important. So next come all the attending all the meeting organized by company, upliners and downlines. What are the companies organizing for company to attend the meetings? Upline organizing, attend the meeting. If a downline is organizing, inviting you as the upline, definitely participate over there. What are the meetings? CNT meeting, VIP meeting. CNT का मतलब क्या होता है? Cellular Nourishment Therapy, and VIP Vestige Initiative Program, VLC meeting, healthcare, MOM, color cosmetics meetings there. Meet the Millionaire, success seminar, water air purifier, upline one-to-one counseling meetings, home training meeting, home workshop meeting, WAF and convention. Right. So next thing, be in regular contact with upline and downline. Your 10% and above upline, be in regular touch with them, so they can help you out with that. So you tell your team over there, so be in regular contact with you karke, so that they can be in contact with you. And whatever you're planning for the next day, make sure that you're updating in the night, you're making a planning and you're updating in the next month, in the next day, and you're duplicating the same in the downline. आप जो भी आप कल करने वाले हो, आज ही रात में प्लान कर लोगे, आप इनको बता दो कल सर 1 बजे आपका टाइम चाहिए, कल 4 बजे टाइम चाहिए, 5 बजे टाइम चाहिए. अब आप इनको बताओगे नहीं, आप अब रैंडमली इनवाइट कर लो, सर आके मेरी मदद करना, तो अपने का भी तो कुछ रहेगा ना शेड्यूल. तो आपने अपडेट किया तभी तो अपने भी तो वो हिसाब से अपना शेड्यूल प्रिपेयर करेंगे जहां पे आपका टाइम, आपको टाइम दे पाएंगे. एग्जांपल मान लो अपने ने आपको टाइम नहीं दिया तो कहना कि आप हो जाए नेगेटिव की लाइक हमें सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे करके. तो यू आल्सो नीड टू कोऑर्डिनेट फ्रॉम योर फ्रेंड. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टेल योर टीम कोऑर्डिनेट फ्रॉम मी, आई एम रेडी टू हेल्प यू, बट इफ यू इन्फॉर्म मी बोलना आई कैन हेल्प यू. इफ यू डोंट टेल मी योर रिक्वायरमेंट देन हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू. जब आप एक बीमार हो, जब डॉक्टर जाके बताओगे नहीं बीमारी क्या है, तो डॉक्टर कैसे हेल्प कर देगा आपको? क्या डॉक्टर एक मेडिसिन है क्या? अपने आप जज कर ले और अपने आप आपको तैयार कर दे, ऐसा हो. तो बताओगे आपका जो पेन हो रहा है तभी तो ना आपको डॉक्टर भी हेल्प दे पाएगा. उसी तरह से इफ यू वांट एनी हेल्प, कम फ्रॉम द फ्रेंड एंड आस्क. जब पूछोगे नहीं तो कैसा पता चलेगा? ऐसा हो क्या मेरे खावा है रात में कि हाँ यार कल इस बंदे को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे हेल्प करना है, ऐसा हो. I will never get the dream like that, na, because I am also a common human being like you, but you need to come from a friend. That's called coordination. कोऑर्डिनेशन तभी होगा जब आप लोग एक्टिविटी को प्लान करोगे और अपडेट करके कोऑर्डिनेट करके काम करोगे, तो चीजें अपने आप टीम वर्क में आ जाएगी. I hope you got this. Then tag details, what is 5%, 8% PVs levels, silver, gold, diamond. When you become bronze, silver, gold, diamond, I hope everybody knows this. When your PVs are between 1 to 599, you are 5%. If your PVs are between 600 to 2399, 8%. When PVs are between 2400, 5499, 10%, and 5500 is equal to 11% of bronze director. If anybody achieve bronze director in your team, you will be called as a silver director. If 2 people achieve gold, 3 people achieve star, 4 people diamond, 6 people crown, 8 people universal crown director, 10 12 people DCD, that's called double crown director. 16 people double universal crown director. And today I'm having 8 directors in my life, so I call it as a universal crown director investige. ऐसा होना, उसी तरह से ये सारे levels रहेंगे आपके. And understand one thing called law of average. Everybody are not fit to do business. If everybody does business, that will be a big problem in the world. Then there'll be no like auto driver, there'll be no like cab driver, there'll be no a maid will be coming to him. Then you need to do everything on your own. Then they will say, sir, I am a crown director earning 1 lakh rupees in month. Then why should I come and do your home work? Or why should I come and drive a car for you? So there's rule called ESBI. 95% people will do job only. They'll do self-employed only. 5% people only will become businessman or investor class, and 5 people only will be rich in the category. So you should, right, whenever you're doing a plan for somebody, you're not about giving a plan, you're recruiting 5% of people. So recruit good people. And so quality people, quality gives you big success in network marketing. So to make your team understand this, law of average is everywhere. In any field, law of average carries on. If you invite 10 people, all 10 will not come. 8 people only will respond for your call. In that, when 8 people you invite, 6 people only will come to see the plan. In that, 4 people only show interest after the plan. In that, 1 or 2 people only will join you. The rest all will go out. That's it. Yes or no? And the people who left you should not leave them. Make a good bonding with them. Though means not now, but later. Today they will not join. But कभी ना कभी 1 महीने 2 महीने के बाद वो join करेंगे आपको. मगर आपको रिश्ते maintain करना पड़ेगा, वो बहुत important है. Yes or no, guys? So now I'm coming to the main topic called mistake topic. A mistake where people do here. They never write 200 people contact list. That is a big mistake what they do. 30 people contact list to the right. But the problem is that कि 200 people contact list बहुत कम लोग लिखते हैं. I hope बहुत सारे आज हमारे साथ जो लोग आज यहाँ की मीटिंग में जुड़े हुए हैं, approximately 80 people, ऐसा no. तो कहीं ना कहीं इस मीटिंग में if I check ना, I can find very 10% of the people, मतलब 10% मतलब 8 लोग ने लिखा होगा शायद, बाकी ने किसी ने लिखा नहीं है. 200 people contact list. So that's the reason why you run out of contact. अब आप लोग एक ही बात बोलोगे, सर करना तो चाहता हूँ, but I'm not having friends to approach. सर किसे दिखाऊं प्लान? लोग ही नहीं मेरे पास प्लान दिखाने के लिए, तो क्या करूं सर? ऐसा होना. The problem was not the friends, but problem was आपने कभी लिखा ही नहीं आपने. ये बताओ, इतने सारा आपने दुनिया में आप जी लिया, ऐसा होना. Maybe around like you might be around 20 years minimum, or you might be 18 years minimum. 18 साल से क्या आप सिर्फ 30 लोगों को जानते हो इस दुनिया के अंदर. If you just take your phone contact list ना, contact लिए आपके रहेंगे 500. ऐसा नो. Right. तो हमें फ्रेंड्स की लिस्ट बनाना है. इसे बोलते हैं प्री जजिंग. शुड नेवर प्री जज. बहुत सारे लोग गलती क्या करते हैं, अपना प्री जज करते हैं. दे प्री जज द पीपल. एंड दे प्री जज मतलब क्या, वो बिजनेस से रिलेट करते हैं लोगों को क्या करते हैं, बिजनेस रिलेट करते हैं. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई दे डोंट राइट नेम वाली. उनका नाम ही लिखते नहीं लोग. एंड इससे क्या होता है, कोई और बंदा नाम लिखेगा, वो अप्रोच करेगा, वहां पे ज्वाइन कर लेगा, तब आप मेरा दोस्त वहां पे ज्वाइन कर लिया. तो अभी तो गलती के आप लिख सकते थे, मगर आपने लिखा नहीं. क्यों? बिकॉज आपने प्री जज किया. So this is a big mistake what a beginners does in the beginning. They never write the contact list properly, and they always cry, so my friends are not there, friends are not there, friends are. And today I'm going to teach, I'm going to make you read some book. In that you'll get the clarity कि क्यों आप लोगों को contact list आपको लिखना है, और 200 people का लिस्ट लिखने का बेनिफिट क्या मैं आज आपको बताने वाला हूँ. जब भी आप लिखोगे तो आपको FRIENDS के फॉर्मेट लिखना पड़ेगा. फ्रेंड्स मतलब फेसबुक फ्रेंड्स. जब आप फेसबुक का फ्रेंड आप चेक करोगे ना, आपके पास ऑलरेडी आपका फ्रेंड लिस्ट फेसबुक का 1000 रहेगा या 500 या 600 रहेगा. ये कैसा बन गया आपका फ्रेंड लिस्ट? कहीं ना कहीं आप उसे जानते थे, या वो बंदा आपको जानता था, तभी तो उसने फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट सेंड किया. और आपने क्यों एक्सेप्ट किया? बिकॉज आप भी जानते हो, तभी तो आपने एक्सेप्ट किया. तो कहीं ना कहीं फ्रेंड ही तो है. ऐसा हो, क्या कोई रैंडम करेगा तो आप एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे? ऐसा हो. तो कहीं ना कहीं you also have seen that person, ना, you also know that person. That is the reason why you have accepted his friend list, and you both are friends. But you might have not spoken to each other, you might have not seen to each other. ऐसा no, somewhere the other. Why? Because you never had a reason to talk to each other. You never had a reason to communicate with each other. So only you'll be called as a by-phrase friend. Next comes your relatives. Add your relatives in the business. Your uncle, auntie, your grandmother, grandfather, your if you're married, then involve in-laws family. Involve everybody. Relatives को आप लिखो business के अंदर. And institutional. If you're a student, then add up all your college friends, your school friends, college friends, PUC friends, tutorials friends. Add everybody and everybody. Then comes engineering friends. If you're doing engineering, then do add engineering. If not engineering, then do add enemies as well. वो साले क्या करते हैं कि मतलब दुश्मन को भी लिखो बिजनेस के अंदर, किसे पता वो आके बड़ा कर देगा तो आप ही को तो फायदा होगा. ऐसा ना. So don't have ego, just put it up people. Next comes to neighbors. Do share the product with neighbors. Write a neighbors list, and also something called as a daily wages. You maybe your mechanic shop, you might be regularly doing the service of the same person. He's a daily wages for you. Or a person is coming and putting the newspaper at your home, daily wages. Or the person where you go to a store where you buy all the groceries, that person knows you very well, but we never spoke. Why? Because there was no reason. He's also your daily wages person. And also something called as strangers. If friends are less, then start making up new friends. If you have a 120 friends, add up the list every time. Add it to the list, because if you want to open more lists, then you should be having a person contacts. And promotion, I'll be explaining a topic completely on promotion, how to generate leads from like Insta, like on social media. हम लोग अब घर बैठे बैठे कैसा हम लोग का इंस्टाग्राम का इस्तेमाल करते हुए, फेसबुक का इस्तेमाल करते हुए हम लोग कैसा लीड जनरेट कर पाएंगे, या व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस के थ्रू, या व्हाट्सएप स्टोरीज के थ्रू, या आपका इंस्टा स्टोरीज या इंस्टा पोस्ट. हाउ कैन यू गेट leads from there? How can you make it as a paid promotions, and how can you get everything? I'm going to have a detailed topic on that, where I'll be teaching you how to generate leads sitting back at home. Every businessman doing the same thing only. They're using the media, social media effectively. That's the reason why they're going very fast. तो हमें सोशल मीडिया का हमें अच्छी तरह से इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. I'll take a meeting tomorrow. I'll be telling detailedly about promotions. ऐसा नो. And whenever you write a contact list, make sure that कि आपकी team contact list जाके state wise भी लिख रही है. ऐसा नो. If you want to expand your business across the globe, then you should be knowing ना where and all your people are there present. ऐसा नो. जब आपको पता ही नहीं रहेगा कि where and all your team may have a friend. Example, there's so many meetings happening in different parts of India. ऐसा नो. Right. Write a list, expand a business. One person said me, big money will come from big volume, and big volume will come from diversification. Yes or no? If you want to diversify your business to different states and different cities, then आप लोगों को state wise लिखना पड़ेगा आपको contact list. Yes or no? Tell your people to write how many people you have. Example, if I'm from Bangalore, I'll be writing from Bangalore I have 100 people. From Tumkur, you have any friends? Nearby cities from Bangalore. Tumkur is there, Mysore is there, Bangalore is there, Chennai is there, Hyderabad, Hubli and Mumbai. Nearby cities. Yes or no? Where can I expand a business to different cities? If you have even a single person is enough for you. If you have one person in Chennai, to that one person you can get 100 people. But आप एक बंदे का नाम तो लिखो. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सर बैंगलोर में कुछ हो रहा नहीं, चेन्नई में थोड़ी होगा. सुन, तो बैंगलोर में तो जाके चेन्नई से किसे पता वहां से चला हो गया तो कहीं ना कहीं से हो सकता है. तो आपको लिस्ट लिखना पड़ेगा ना. So there is no point of prejudging people over there. आप प्रीजज करोगे तो आप गलती कर रहे हो. तो मेक श्योर करो कि आप लोग प्रीजज करना बंद कर रहे हो, और आपका 200 पीपल का लिस्ट 200 से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, नॉट कि 1 से. 1 से चालू करोगे तो 50 लगे साइड हो जाएगा. अरे यार 50 लोग हैं, चलो अब बाद में देखेंगे सब बाकी के नंबर. 200 से लिखोगे ना, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 200. यू हैव अ टारगेट इन माइंड. यस, आई हैव रीच्ड टू 1 नंबर. So that goes on. So what is a mistake what people do? That's called prejudging. And now I'll be making you read some pages. Well, I'll be voluntary. I'll be calling some people. I'll be telling them to read the page. I'll be unmuting them. I want you to read me page, and I want you to explain me what exactly it was written in the paragraph. Yes or no, guys? So I can pick up anybody randomly. So be attentive. And on your video, I'll be gonna call you, and you need to, as soon as you take your name, if I unmute you, you need to on your video immediately. And you need to read the screen, and you need to read what exactly it is. I am teaching you what happens in prejudging. जब लोग prejudge करते हैं ना, गलती क्या करते हैं, तो वहां से आपको क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी. Are you ready, guys? Randomly pick करने वाला हूँ. Ready हो जाना. Right. Unmute करूंगा, randomly pick करूंगा. I want you guys to read this. What exactly it is. I'll be just like randomly inviting some people, and you can just read this list to me, and you can tell me how exactly it is. Once again, guys, एक moment है ना, let me just adjust this. Yes, yeah. So I want somebody to read me this first paragraph, right? So I'll be picking up a random person, and I'll be unmuting the random person. I want somebody called as this person, Afrozi. Afrozi, I'll be unmuting you, and you can on your video. I can put you on spotlight, and I want you to read this first paragraph. Afroz, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Where are you? Okay, you're here. Start your video, Afroz.
No, sir. I'm at my shop, sir. I can't on my video.
Okay. Shop.
Yes.
Fine. You can just
Hello.
read this first paragraph.
Yes.
Business building. This first paragraph and explain us. Read and explain. आपको ये फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ रीड करना है और हमें एक्सप्लेन करना क्या एग्जैक्टली आपने इस पैराग्राफ में सुना. Go ahead. Afroz, start.
Yes, sir. The first step in building your network marketing business is to make a list of
Slowly
people
and
you know.
loudly. Listen. Wait. Slowly and loudly. Slowly read and try to understand because you have to explain us back so well. Read slowly, understand and explain us back. Start now.
Making a list of prospects. The first step in building your network marketing business is to make a list of people. Correct, sir?
Yes, go ahead. Huh?
You know who you may be able to approach and ask to look at the idea. This is a very important step, but one that many people don't take the time to do is not doing so. They get off to a bad start. If you want to build a successful network marketing business, you cannot underestimate the power of this step. Yes, sir.
Yes, Afroz, you read. Go ahead. Read.
Understanding this, you will then promote its importance to your team as it grows. The power of this duplication will dramatically increase the speed at which your business builds.
Explain us now what you read. आपने जो भी पढ़ा ना अब explain करो. क्या समझना है आपको?
The first step in building your business is to make a list, sir, of the contacts.
Okay.
And then you have to make a call and approach them or meet them and approach them.
Okay.
This is a very important step, but most of the people go on a bad start. They don't make a list and all that, as you said, sir.
Why they do get out of bad stop? Because they don't take the time to do that. As they tell you the important, right. Still people avoid that. That is the reason why they उसी के लिए लोग अपना शुरुआत ही जाके एक गलत स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, टाइम वेस्ट कर देते हैं अपना. I hope you guys are getting the mistakes. Go ahead.
If you want to build a successful network marketing business, you cannot underestimate the importance of this step. Exactly as you said, sir. Understanding this, you will then promote its importance to your team as it grows. जो मैं करता हूँ डुप्लीकेट करूंगा अपने टीम को.
Exactly, सही बोले आप.
Power of this duplication will dramatically increase the speed at which your business builds. जो मैं स्पीड कर रहा था वो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए मेरे जो डाउनलाइन. Yes, sir.
I hope you guys got it कि क्या गलती करते हैं हम लोग शुरुआत की टाइम पे while writing a contact list, why people delay in that. I hope now you guys will not do it. Yes or no? Thank you so much, Afroz ji, and that was very good from your side. Let me unmute the second person. If anybody wants to read, you can type in the chat box. I'll unmute directly. Let me give the opportunity for the people who are actually willing to get it done. Yes, Parvez, go ahead. Once again, I need to unmute you. Backend work, somebody can help me in unmuting.
Yes, sir.
Parvez, you can unmute kar do aap. I put him on the spotlight. Done?
Hello, good morning. Yes, sir. I'm audible to you?
Very good morning. Yeah, very much audible. Now I want you to read the second paragraph. To
Yes,
make
sir.
the list, yeah, from here you start. From here till you need to end it till this stage by not prejudging. Yeah, I want you to read it till just concentrate on making a list without relating to the business till there and explain. Read and
Yeah.
explain.
Yes, I got it, sir.
Go ahead.
So, okay. To make your list, simply write down the name of everyone you have ever known or met. They may be your family, friends, work colleagues, people you know on casual basis. I'm sorry, sir. I lost the. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
They don't have to be current contact either. It doesn't matter if you haven't had contact with them or some time. If you were got a name, if you got a name, write it down. The most of the network marketing companies or their support system will have a standard form to help you prepare your list. But if they don't, you can very easily make up your own. When you are making a list, don't be concerned about who might not be interested. That's a big mistake. At this stage, you are simply putting together a list of everyone you have ever known. Just concentrate on making the list without relating it to the business. So the meaning they are saying is, sir, let me talk in Hindi also. तो यहाँ बोलने
Definitely.
सर ये
एक
बोलने का
second.
मतलब
एक
yes,
second.
sir.
This is getting like 1 second. Let me just make it a bit smaller. Yeah. Now you can read 1 second. Yeah. Where it was, यहाँ पे था ना वो, यहाँ पे था.
yes, sir,
Yeah,
yes, sir.
exactly.
That's it.
Go ahead.
Yes,
Now you explain.
सो यहाँ पर बताया जा रहा है कि मेक योर लिस्ट, सिंपली राइट डाउन द नेम्स ऑफ एवरीवन यू हैव मेट। मतलब आज तक हम जिन जिन लोगों से भी मिले हैं, जिन जिन लोगों को भी हम जानते हैं, कोई भी हो सकता है, हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स, हमारे फ्रेंड्स जो हमारे साथ पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, वो पीपल जो भी हमारे आसपास हैं, जिन्हें हम जानते हैं, उनका नाम हमें लिखना चाहिए। और ये कह रहे हैं कि दे डोंट हैव टू बी करंट कॉन्टैक्ट ईदर, चाहे वो हमारे टच में हो या ना हो, डजंट मैटर, जस्ट उनका नाम लिखो। It doesn't matter if you haven't had contact with them or sometime. जरूरी नहीं कि आप उनसे बात कर रहे हो या नहीं हो, नो प्रॉब्लम, बस उनका नाम लिखो। और कह रहे हैं क्या, if you have got a name, write it down। अगर उनका नाम आपको याद भी आता है, मान लो ये बंदा है जिससे मैं जानता हूं, जस्ट नाम लिख लो उसका। और कह रहा है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग कंपनीज और देयर सपोर्ट सिस्टम will have a standard form to help you preparing a list। मतलब बहुत सी, मतलब हमारी कंपनी का नाम ले लूं तो ये कंपनी हमें हेल्प करती है कि हम कैसे हमारी कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट को बना ले। और अगर नहीं, और आगे कह रहे हैं कि बट इफ दे डोंट यू कैन वेरी इजीली मेक इट अप। अगर कंपनी आपका सपोर्ट, आपकी मदद नहीं भी कर रही है कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट बनाने में ना, तो आप खुद ही बना सकते हो, खुद ही बना सकते हो। और कहते हैं कि when you are making a list, don't be concerned about who might not be interested। मतलब जब भी आप लिस्ट, यही बता रहे हैं कि प्री जज मत करो किसी को भी, डोंट प्री जज एनीवन। एंड आगे बता रहे हैं कि दैट्स अ बिग मिस्टेक। यस, प्री जज करते हैं ना, वही बड़ी मिस्टेक है। सोचते हैं कि ये करेगा या नहीं करेगा, आई डोंट नो, चलो नहीं लिखते। यही बता रहे हैं कि प्री जजमेंट के बारे में यहाँ पर बता रहा है, might not be or might be interested, that's a big mistake। At this stage, you are simply putting together a list of everyone you have ever known। मतलब जिन जिन को भी ना आप जानते हो ना, बस उनका लिस्ट बना लो। Just concentrate on making the list without relating it to your business। अपने बिजनेस को रिलेट किए बगैर बस लिस्ट बना लो। That's it सर। तो आपने शुरुआत में यहाँ तक करने के लिए कहा, अगर आप चाहे तो मैं आगे भी कंटिन्यू कर सकता हूँ। यस सर। सर हेलो।
Parvez ji, actually my network got a bit up and down. That was very appreciating what you are like told. That was absolutely right. It need not be the either context. It should be anybody and everybody. So never judge the business by relating to somebody else's business. That's all very good, Parvez ji. So moving on further, guys, from the next thing, I want the third person to write. If is there anybody there in the chat box that will let me be next? No worry. So I'll pick up the random person. I want the next person to tell this is I'll unmute a person called Afrinji. Afrinji, you have been unmuted. You can just read this. Afrinji, I want you to read from this. By not prejudging, where Parvez has stopped is the call in the business. By not prejudging, your mind will open the floodgate. From there, I want you to start with. Afrinji, you're there? Okay. Maybe Afrinji not there. Let me see who's there. Actually, with us, we have a person called Sandeep ji. Sandeep ji, you can unmute.
Hello.
Yes, Sandeep ji, go ahead. Yeah, read this.
Once again, sir.
By not prejudging people, your mind will open floodgates. From there, you can start with.
By not prejudging people, your mind will open the floodgates, so that every time you add a name.
1 second.
Till yes, sir.
You lost the word, I guess. 1 second. Yeah, it's CSE, but not prejudging people, huh?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. So every time you add a name it will help to remind you of another. Okay. If you are a couple building the business, put aside some time to work on your list together. Do some brainstorming, pull out old mailing list of invitation or invitation list if you have them, old telephone dictionaries, anything that anything might help you to jog your memory. So in this para they are telling that to yes, sir. So in this
Yes, go
paragraph,
ahead.
they are telling that you shouldn't prejudge anyone. Okay, however you get a new contact number, you can just add up in your contact. Okay, it might be your telephone dictionary, or it might be your any like working job actually. Okay, so there might be so many people, you can add them up. Okay, so next thing, sir.
See, actually, they're telling here, they are giving you the different ways from where you can get the contact list. You might have
Yes, sir.
some safe contacts in the old uh, telephone diaries and all. From there, you can jog on that. Now it is everything online now. Now,
Yes,
no, nobody writes the phone numbers in the telephone diaries and all. That was the old time. Now everybody says in the mobile phone, or everybody knows people on Facebook and Instagram now. So they are giving some resources from where can you jog your memory, and from where can you find the contacts. It can be helpful for you to do that. So further this point, go
the
ahead,
list
Sanjay.
you make, yes, sir. The list you are making is setting of foundation your business. The more names you have, the stronger the foundation will be, and the larger the business that can be built upon it. 100 and so this
That's
is
it.
a
That's it. That's
book
it.
called.
That's the book
Okay, sir.
name. Huh?
Okay, sir. So what they're telling is how much you make your how much big you make your list, that much stronger your foundation will be. Means what? That
Absolutely
you
right.
can of course you have to make more contact lists actually. As sir said that how much contact list you make will be easy. Your mind will open actually. So you won't be stuck in the between that I don't have contact list, I don't have people. So you can go more farther actually. So larger your business will be actually. This point is like that, sir.
Thank you so much, Sandeep ji. Okay, that was very nice from
Thanks a
your
lot,
side.
sir, for the opportunity, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. If I guys, if I just tell you in a small example, example, if you're having something called as a target in front of eyes, आपके पास एक target है जहाँ पे आपको बोला जा रहा है कि आपको आप you need to hit the target, and they're giving you two options. They're telling you either you can pick a pistol, you can take a machine gun. Which one will you pick up, pistol or machine gun? क्या करोगे आप? What are you going to pick up with? Are you going to pick up with pistol or the machine gun? What are you going to pick up, guys? क्या पिक करोगे आप? आपके पास ऑप्शन रहेगा दो चीजों का, एक रहेगा मशीन गन, एक रहेगा आपका लाइक pistol. What are you going to pick up with? Sandeep is telling I'm going to pick up pistol. Okay. Anybody else? Any other answer? And Fazul is telling I'm going to take a machine gun. Farhan ji, machine gun. Okay. Other people participate. Let's see. You are right or wrong, that's secondary. ठीक है, आप गलत सही हो तो वो तो हम सब, everybody came here to learn. You need not be perfect. Okay, no problem. But give a participation. Yes or no? Some people are telling pistol, some people are telling machine gun. Right. So the right answer is, guys, thank you so much. The right answer is you will pick up machine gun. You know why? Because pistol will have around 6 to 7 bullets. If I'm telling the target, whenever you're trying to hit a target, you will be very right. You'll be always in a fear mode. Yeah, if I lost one pistol, then one more pistol will not be there. If I lose second, yeah, like bullet, yes or no? And again, you'll be confused. Third bullet lost, you'll be in a pressure, yes or no? So क्या होगा? Somewhere तक you will not able to do it properly. If you have a machine gun, randomly you'll just hit the gun here and there, and one bullet at least might go and hit the target, yes or no? There is a probability that even one single bullet may go and hit the target. So it's better to have a machine gun. Similar way, if you take a contact list, if you're having few contact lists is equal to having a pistol with you. So you'll be always worried. Sir, if this person don't agree, then sir, this person don't agree, then what should I do with? Then how to start my business then? If you're having a huge contact list, that is called a foundation. If 10 people rejected you, you not worry. Sir, I have 190 people left or more. Let me approach more people. You'll get confidence in that. So you always need to make sure that you're writing your good contact list. So you're not prejudging anybody while making a contact list. I hope you got to know why should I not do the prejudging. This is the mistake what people do while making a contact list. I hope you got this now. I believe that you guys are not going to continue this mistake, or you're not going to make your team do this mistake, so that you both can go at a faster speed. Yes or no? Second mistake what people do. This is the second mistake what people do is this. Never judge a book by its cover. I want somebody else to read this now. All right. I want Afrinji to read this. Yes,
Good
Afrinji, go
morning,
ahead.
sir. Yes, sir.
Very good morning. I want you to read this first paragraph. Go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Start.
It is amazing the number of people who,
First,
even
read
after
the headline.
never judge
First,
a
read the
book by
headline.
its
Huh.
cover. It is amazing that the number of people who, even after knowing the importance of the list has been explained to them, end up with only handful of names. That is, even after explaining that contact list is very important, few people end up having only like 10 to 20 people of contact list. The reason is that they are prejudging people. So they basically prejudge the people. Prejudging is assuming that a particular person won't be interested in the business opportunity for reasons such as they might be too busy, they are doing okay anyway, or they would be interested in something like this. So many people do prejudging based, not even giving them a chance to decide by themselves. पहले ही prejudge कर देते हैं based on their interests such as like कि they are very busy, they cannot give time to network marketing, they cannot give time for the business, और ये भी बोल देते हैं कि they might be not interested in doing something like this. So in some cases you might not add them because you are afraid of what they might think you being involved into network marketing. Exactly. So they are very people, maximum like 80% of people I can tell कि they don't want that friend or that neighbor or that auntie, uncle or relation, anyone. They don't want them to get to know that कि वो भी मतलब जोड़ने वाला business कर रहे हैं basically, right? So this is the thing. Next is prejudging people is something you must be conscious of. It can lead to missing out on opportunities. So if you are prejudging people, how will someone get to know कि ऐसा भी कुछ platform है? You cannot judge people just by thinking कि वो नहीं करेंगे, ये नहीं करेंगे. What if they really joins? A good case in point arises from Elias and Eddie, who are thinking about adding Miranda. So Elias and Eddie are a couple. So they are thinking of adding their friend, someone called Miranda, who they hadn't been in contact with for some time, to their list. मतलब सोच रहे थे कि whether they have to give an option to her or something like that. They prejudged her. She is probably happy with what she is doing already. So both of them, Elias and Eddie जो भी हैं, they actually prejudged Miranda को prejudge करते हैं, that thinking that कि she is already very happy, जो भी है उससे बहुत खुश है. I don't think she would be interested. She is too busy. Again the same thing. 6 months later, at a local network marketing business seminar, Elias and Eddie were attending the same. Miranda was being recognized on the stage for her achievements. So Miranda is a girl of Elias and Eddie. They are friends together. तो कभी इन्होंने invite नहीं किया, thinking that she is very busy और वो नहीं join करेगी and all that. But later on they'll get to know in a small network marketing business seminar में जाते हैं, तो they'll get to know कि Miranda is also doing network marketing and she is already on the stage with her few achievements. Introduced to network marketing by someone else. Basically उन्होंने कभी बताया नहीं, but she got to know about network marketing platform by someone else, and that is how she is on stage. Next, Miranda was already putting together a sizable team, even though she had been involved for a shorter time. Shorter time के लिए involvement था, but still she was able to make a very good team size, and that is how she is recognizing on her achievements. Miranda and her husband went on to build a very successful and profitable business. जिनको इन्होंने judge किया, Elias and Eddie, the same girl Miranda with her husband, she was able to make it very successful and a profitable business. When speaking to her, After the seminar, it became very clear to Elise and Eddie that none of their prejudgments of her were correct. मतलब जो points लेके judge किया था, she is very busy, वो नहीं कर पाएगी and all that, they already got cleared कि किसी को भी मतलब prejudge नहीं करना है, right? So next, remember, okay.
Your list at
When
this stage.
speaking, yeah, Elise and Eddie, okay. The truth was quite the opposite. Remember, your list at this stage is just that, a list. List ही है बस. मतलब it is just a list, nothing else. It does not mean you will be contacting all the people on it. Few might be, मतलब few आप reject कर दोगे या few of them will reject you. That doesn't mean कि कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है from that list. It does not mean, okay. But it gives you the strong foundation to work from. Exactly. And consider how you would have felt if someone had prejudged you and not given you the opportunity that you have now. Right. Whatever we are attending the session, that is because कि वो बंदे ने आपको invite किया था and you have come into this business, and currently we are into a training session like this. If someone would have prejudged you like the same way, you would have been doing the same old thing and आपको इस platform के बारे में पता भी नहीं चलता. Right. So the bottom line is that you have a great opportunity to share, at least give others the choice to make their own decision on becoming involved. Don't make the decision for them. Exactly. See, they have a saying like mind your own business. So better give a chance for the people who are already, like, let them decide whether they want to come into or whether they don't want to. So directly it's like that, ki don't prejudge anyone.
Exactly. Right. So I hope you guys got it. Why not to prejudge anybody now? So from today onwards, don't prejudge people, because it is a good case where Elise and Eddie couples together. They prejudge a friend, and the friend did amazing. Similar way, when you come to a meeting or somewhere over there, you might feel that key, sir, my friend, sir, he's already a silver director, gold director. And if you would have approached him 5 months back, that guy would have joined your team and you would have become a gold or star director. So don't do a mistake of prejudging, and make sure that you guys are telling your team also to not do the mistake of prejudging. So this is the importance of not prejudging. So thank you so much, Afrin ji, for explaining us in a such a simpler way, putting up the words in a very simple way and making the people understand so well. So thank you so much, Afrin ji. So, and one more page is there, the last page for the day, and this is the one more mistake what people do. This is a mistake, making a list of prospect. I think not this one, continuously adding to the list. Some people, what they do, they write a 200 people contact list, but they forget to upgrade that simultaneously. Upgrading the list is also plays an important role. Let me unmute somebody there so they can help me out with this. I'll unmute Bhakti ji. Yeah, Bhakti ji, have been unmuted. You can just like unmute yourself and we can read us this paragraph. Yes, heading and the paragraph. Go ahead. Very good morning. Go ahead.
Continually add to your list. An important point in building your business is to always be adding to your list. So you should be always adding upon people to your list. So at times a name you initially overlooked will pop into your head. Make sure you write it down somewhere right away, then add it to the list later. Don't rely on remembering it. 9 times out of 10 you will forget. Also, just because you have started your business doesn't mean you have stopped meeting people. As you meet new people, add them to your list. Some of them may end up joining in you in your business. The benefit of continually adding your list in that you will never feel that your prospects are running out. The problem with starting with a small list and finding that most of the names are eliminated is the panic starts to set in. How can I build a business without people to share it with?
Explain us. While you read, explain back. Right. Some people may not understand it, so you need to explain us back. So you need to make people understand what exactly it was. Explain this paragraph.
So the important point in building our business is adding upon our list. So we have to add people into our list. So at initially, like the names which comes to our head, we should make sure that we write those names straight away in our diary and add those names into our diary. So okay, we should not rely on remembering it. So 9 times out of 10, we may forget those names which in initially time which the names which have been popped in our head, we may forget it later on. So also we have started this business, and we should not think that we have started business and we should not meet people in our further days. So as we meet new people and add them to our list, some of them may end up joining and some of them they may reject it. And the benefit of continuously adding people to our list, that we will never feel that our prospects are running out. And if we start with a small list, then we may find and we may start getting panic, and we may lose our contacts. So we should not do that. So
Exactly.
we have to continuously keep on adding names in our contact list.
Thank you so much, Bhakti ji. Right.
Thank
So
you.
guys, it was very simple. It is what they were trying to say, that key, whenever is some name, example, you might be walking in the street or you might see some random people over there, one name popped in your mind. So you should, that moment you may not be having a diary with you. So that moment you need to just make a note of the name in your phone or somewhere over there. So that later you can go and add it up. Add it back. So somewhere or the other, you might be walking on the street or some some place you went over there in metro or in bus, or some people met you randomly, and don't hesitate to talk to people. Talk to them very softly and exchange the contact with them and add up to your contact list. So that keep adding up the contact list, so that you will feel the benefit of this, that key, you will feel motivated, you feel confident that I'm never have a list problem. I have so many people to invite. You will have very confident mind. So that's the advantage of adding up the list quite oftenly. Yes or no? So next person, I'll give a chance to a person called somebody wants it. I'll unmute Anusha ji. Anusha ji, you have been unmuted. You can just read us. Anusha ji, are you there? Anusha ji, yeah, you have been spotlighted. Yeah, good, Anusha ji. Where Bhakti ji stopped, you have to continue from there. Okay. The thing that the problem is start with a small list. She has to. You can start from here. The problem is starting with a small list. Go ahead, Anusha ji.
The problem with starting with a small list and finding that most of the names are eliminated is that panic starts to set in. So how can I build the business without people to share it with? So when we start the business, we are learning the things. So when we are having a short list of contact list, we are running out of the list, and when the people start rejecting, we will become negative. So better to have a number of contact lists so that we can bring our business ahead, and we can get a lead in our business as well. So an important aspect of making and adding to your list is to understand that this step is the same when operating a traditional business. So whenever we start the business, obviously we need some audience, we need some people to start our business. So it's a very important step to start any business, that to a traditional business. And traditional businesses rely on the number of leads they can generate and the number of people they can get to come through the door, the number of listings they can post, and so on. And this is their names list, and they know that they have a certain conversation rates from names to sales. Your network marketing business is just the same a business, and you too in time will have a certain conversation rate of names to sales. So on one thing is certain, just as in traditional business, if you don't have the names to begin with, or you don't keep adding to your list, the chances of having a successful business will be substantially reduced. So whatever the business we start, there will be a particular set of audience. So if we don't have a proper contact list, if we lagging behind the number of contact lists, definitely we can't kickstart any businesses. So it's very important to have a contact list, and we should not run out of contact list. And the maximum contact list we have, we can lead our business very well. So this is the meaning.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Monisha ji. Right. So guys, you understood, right? As a traditional business, similarly, your contact list is the main foundation. So you need to have a good number of contacts so that your business can be operated in a right way. As I told you, they're basically trying to explain something called law of average here. They're just trying to explain something called law of average. If you have this many people, this is with the conversion rate to sales, yes or no? But if you have people for that, now, if you're not having people, how can you convert it to sale? So that is called law. I hope you understood that's called law of average. Yes or no, guys? All right. So so we are almost at the end of the session now. One last page is there. A big mistake what people do, and this is the mistake what majority people do, and they always they actually lose their friends. Even after writing the contact list, they lose people, and the people don't come for the PPT. What is the mistake? That is the mistake what they do. And I want one person to read this completely. I'll pick up somebody called Sarajit ji. Are you there? Can I unmute you? Or can I unmute somebody else? I'll unmute Tangapandi sir. Are you there? Let me unmute Tangapandi sir from Chennai. Sir, you have been unmuted, sir. You can just read us this page. Tangapandi sir, are you there? Okay. So let me go with Sarajit ji. Are you there? Yes, Sarajit ji. Thank you so much. You have been spotlighted and you can unmute. Yes, Sarajit ji. Go ahead. So this is a common mistake, guys, where many people do this. I want you to explain me this. It's an invitation or not an explanation. Yes,
so one of the biggest, yes, sir. It's an invitation, not an explanation. So one of the biggest mistake that people make when inviting contact to have a look at what they are doing is trying to explain the opportunity to them right there and then. मतलब कि बहुत सारे लोग ये गलती करते हैं कि जब भी हम लोग इनवाइट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, उसी टाइम हम लोग सब कुछ बताने की कोशिश करते हैं कि नहीं, उसमें वेस्टीज के बारे में ये भी है, प्रोडक्ट भी है, नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग भी है, सब कुछ उसी टाइम पे एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं. तो वो बंदा कंफ्यूज हो जाता है और आता नहीं है. सो दैट्स द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक व्हिच वी डू. So after that, what is there? It is important to remember this. The objective in making the initial contact with someone is simply to invite them to see what you are doing. Do not carry to explain at this time. मतलब कि यहाँ पे simply invitation का मतलब ये है कि उनको समझ में आ जाए हम लोग कर क्या रहे हैं actually. जब लोग invitation is not a presentation and invitation is not a कि हम लोग ट्रेनिंग करना स्टार्ट कर दें वहीं पे, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस. सो डू नॉट कैरी टू एक्सप्लेन इट एट दिस टाइम. ऑफ कोर्स पीपल आर नेचुरली गोइंग टू बी क्यूरियस व्हेन यू कांटेक्ट देम एंड विल अनडाउटली आस्क योर क्वेश्चन, बट होल्ड बैक फॉर नाउ. लोग पूछेंगे भाई क्या है, थोड़ा आइडिया तो दे, टेल मी सम आइडिया. हमें बताने की जरिए आइडिया नहीं यूज करते हम लोग, जियो का सिम यूज करते हैं. आई विल टेल यू एवरी सिंगल थिंग ब्रदर. Right, we should not explain every single thing then and there only. थोड़ा सा बता के और कंफ्यूज कर देंगे. So better we should invite him for the presentation. वहां पे सारी चीज explain करेंगे हम लोग. Right. The next is the reason for holding off answering their question is that once you answer one question, you will be asked other. So that before long, you are trying to explain the whole idea. The result more often than not is that you will lose people because they cannot clearly see the opportunity in its entirety. मतलब क्या होगा यहाँ पे कि आप जब वो बोलेगे अच्छा क्या कर रहे हो, नहीं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे पैसा कमाने का काम है. अच्छा कैसे? अच्छा थोड़ा सा वहाँ पे क्या कहते हैं लोगों को ज्वाइन करवाने का. अच्छा उसमें क्या होगा? अरे उसमें प्रोडक्ट बेचना होगा. अच्छा उसके बाद क्या होगा? अच्छा उसके बाद क्या होगा? After asking one question, he will be asking another question. After asking another question, he will asking third question. आप लूप में चले जाओगे और बोलेंगे नहीं थोड़ा सा मीटिंग में आओ ना. and at the end he will not come and you'll miss that person and you will not understand the opportunity clearly. So that is what it is written here. The result often than not is that you will lose people because they cannot clearly see the opportunity in its entirety. समझ से पूरी तरीके से नहीं समझ पाएंगे उन लोग, right? They will make up their mind based on the small amount of information you have offered rather than the whole picture. मतलब कि आप छोटा सा बोलेंगे, अच्छा लोगों को प्रोडक्ट बेचना पड़ेगा क्या भाई, हमसे तो नहीं हो पाएगा. And that is what will happen, and that was the reason. छोटे छोटे information से उन लोग pre-sales कर लेंगे, भैया ये काम तो हमसे नहीं होगा, and that was the reason they will not come. Right. The most useful technique to use in contacting people is often referred to as curiosity approach. सबसे बेहतर अप्रोच लोगों को कांटेक्ट और इनवाइट करते समय यह है कि क्यूरियोसिटी जनरेट करना है. इनविटेशन में पर्पस यही है कि हमें क्यूरियोसिटी जनरेट करना है. सामने वाला पूछे भाई क्या कर रहा है मुझे बता. Simple, we'll have to just take him to the presentation. As a presentation, we will explain you everything. Rather than trying to go all in details, give just information during the contact to make the person curious to find out more. बस इतना ही बताना है कि सामने वाला पूछे भाई तू क्या कर रहा है मुझे बता. That was the purpose. सामने वाला जाने भाई करता क्या है ये. That is what our purpose is. Invitation is all about generating the curiosity, right? Many newcomers to network marketing struggle with this approach, perceiving it as a someone dishonest or dishonest. मतलब कि बहुत सारे लोग जब नए नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में आते हैं तो लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं, हम लोगों को ज्वाइन करवा रहे हैं तो लगता है हम गलत काम कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोगों को चीट कर रहे हैं, ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. तो दैट इज व्हाट इज द माइंडसेट एंड दैट इज द रीजन. सेम मतलब बोले ना, सेमलेस सेल्फ प्रमोटर नहीं है. They are not promoting with the confidence कि भैया मैं सामने वाले की जिंदगी बदलने वाला.
Understanding.
Yeah.
Understand.
Yeah. Yes, sir. हाँ. Understand this is a normal business practice used extensively through the business world, both in network marketing and traditional business. मतलब कि आप कोई भी बिजनेस तो लोगों के बिना कर ही नहीं सकते ना. आप यहाँ नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग में लोगों को we give them opportunity so that they can build the business. कहीं पे भी बिजनेस कीजिए वहां पे तो लोगों से कांटेक्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा. And business and selling is all about serving people. Selling is serving. That is what should be the mindset. People in business understand that to do the right thing by your prospect, you need to explain your product or service in detail, face to face in an environment which is both professional and business like. लोगों को लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं do the right thing by your prospect, you need to explain your. हमें प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज को डिटेल में फेस टू फेस एक ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट में करना पड़ेगा जो एक बिजनेस जैसा भी है और प्रोफेशनल भी है, राइट? योर रीजन फॉर कॉन्टेक्टिंग एंड इनवाइटिंग पीपल इज टू डू जस्ट राइट. मतलब सिंपल चीज है कि हमें प्रेजेंटेशन एक ऐसे माहौल में दिखाना है कि उनको लगे कि नहीं सही में एक बिजनेस कर रहा है बंदा, और लगे प्रोफेशनल भी लगे. आप इमेजिन करो ना, फोन पे वहीं पे सामने मिला, कहीं पे मिला, वो बोले चाय पीने, और वहीं पे आप प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाना शुरू कर दो. नीदर इट विल बी अ प्रोफेशनल, नीदर ये लगेगा सही में आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो, राइट? सो दैट इज द रीजन. हम लोग जब ऑफलाइन बिजनेस करते थे तो कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग कॉफी डे बैकडोर में बुलाते थे. एक माहौल सबसे पहले बनना चाहिए ना, तब तो सारी चीज करने में मजा आएगा. योर रीजन फॉर कॉन्टेक्टिंग एंड इनवाइटिंग पीपल इज टू डू जस्ट दैट. हाँ, also remember that you have a genuine opportunity to share with the people. आपके पास एक दीपक बजाज सर के बुक में लिखा हुआ है कि we are blessed to have such an amazing opportunity. अगर हम लोग भगवान के अगर ये अपॉर्चुनिटी लोगों के साथ शेयर नहीं करते हैं ना, तो कहीं ना कहीं डिसरिस्पेक्ट होगा और डिसरिगार्ड होगा ऊपर वाले के साथ कि आपके पास इतनी अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी, आप सही से लोगों को इन्वाइट नहीं कर रहे, राइट? If you contact them incorrectly and they decide not to have a look, who has lost out? They have, because you never gave them the chance to sit down and see. आखिरकार लूज कौन किया? उन लोग लूज कर गए. कहीं ना कहीं वो आ जाते हैं आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटी में, एंड कहीं ना कहीं they can change their life. So that is the thing. Anything else,
So
sir?
thank you so much. That's it, Sarojit. Thank you so much for explaining it in a wonderful way. All right, so guys, I hope today you got to know why to write the 200 people contact list and why to write it in a state-wise contact list to expand your business in a diversified mode, and why not to prejudge people, and what is the mistake in prejudging people. And also, I have explained you regarding this one called as invitation. After writing a contact, what mistake people do in invitation. I hope we have learned a lot today. I hope we have totally 52 trainers staying back with us till end. The people will be staying back till end, that they are the actual trainers. Coming in, starting and going, that was just for time pass, just to show yes I came. Yes or no? Staying back till the end, he actually learned the business, right? We just coming and going means you just came for a namesake, and you are, that shows your commitment level, how committed to learn. The people just for namesake, they're just showing that they're having a very little commitment level, and they get very little successfully. Why? Because they have a very little commitment level. And the people who stay back till the end, after 1 hour they stay back, that is the people are actually going to make history, because they learned in depth, they got the complete entirety they got in the business, and they trained themselves, and they know how to work ahead, and they can get the results. So always you need to stay back till. I'm checking around 80 people comes in the beginning, 84 with the actual, 50 people stays back usually. So we have 50 trainers with us. So 50 people have a team of 10 people also. If they train 10 people also, so we train 500 people in a day. Just imagine how the business goes. That is called management. So only we always say, train team is a paid team. If you want to get paid bigger, then train more people. So that train more people, and more people will expand the work, and that becomes very amazing. So I request you, whatever the trainings I'm doing, whatever the documents, whatever I'm showing to you, I'll be sending the document after the meeting. I'll be sending to you personally, and some people are not in my direct contact. Your uplines will be WhatsApping to you, right? So your uplines will keep WhatsApping to you. You need to take the document, save it up. It is for your reference. Don't post the documents in any other group. It is just for your reference, so that later when you take step-by-step meeting, that moment you start sharing with your team after taking a meeting. If randomly just putting on the group, then the value of the documents will be lost. So next time when you invite people for the meeting, they'll not come here. This document I've already seen it. The चीज already दिख जाते हैं ना, तो लोग तो उसका वैल्यू नहीं करते लोग, ऐसा नो. Getting not. So we need to give them step by step, so that they can be excited, they can be curious enough to know more. Yes or no? That's called curiosity approach. Yes or no? So always give half information so that people will to know the remaining half information. Yes or no, guys? So if anybody has any doubts now, you can ask me. If anybody has any doubt, can just type as doubt in the chat box. I'll unmute that person. Any topic till now what we have covered in this, if you have any doubts, can just type as doubt. Anybody has doubt, can just type as doubt. I'll unmute you. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt, no doubt. No doubt. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. So we have like Abdul sir has a doubt. Syed Abdul Ghani sir have a doubt. He told ji haan. Okay. So one doubt we have, and anybody else have any doubt? Fine. So meanwhile, you can just type in the chat box whether you have a doubt or not. I'll unmute Abdul Ghani sir so that he can just ask his doubt. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Unmuted. Sir, हमने unmute कर दिया आपको. If you have any doubt, can ask us. Yeah. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
जी, आपने जो माशाल्लाह मीटिंग दी है, उससे एक जो लिस्ट बनाने के लिए कहा है ना,
जी सर,
जो लिस्ट बनाते हैं उसमें बाज वो लोग आ जाते हैं जो पहले से नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग किए हुए रहते हैं. एक अननोन आदमी आता है तो उसको हम हैंडल कर लेते हैं. एक नया आदमी और वो सामने वाला नेटवर्कर रहता है तो उसको हैंडल करने के लिए बहुत सारी दिक्कतें, उसके डाउट्स हमारे से और उसकी नॉलेज हमारे से ज्यादा होती है. तो उस दफे पे दिक्कत होती है, तो हम उस वक्त जैसा कि अपलाइन से हम कनेक्ट करते हैं तो डाउट्स क्लियर होते हैं. बाज़ दफे वो हमको अपनी कंपनी की तरफ बुलाने के लिए अपने बहुत सारे प्लान बताता है, तो उस वक्त क्या करेंगे?
तो उस वक्त जाके एग्जाम्पल, राइट. सो कभी क्या होगा, इनकेस मान लो कि आपने किसी रैंडम लोगों को आप इनवाइट करोगे इंस्टाग्राम में, या लोग आपको इनवाइट करेंगे कभी ना कभी, ऐसा हो, तो दोस्त क्या होता है, लोग बोलते हैं कि आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन योर, मतलब आपके बिजनेस मेरे को इंटरेस्ट है, बट एक्चुअली लोग झूठ बोलते हैं, एक्चुअली लोग इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहते, एक्चुअली लोग कहीं ना कहीं आपके आ रहे हैं आपको वो लेके जाए, ऐसा हो। सो दैट मोमेंट राइट, तो हमें उन लोगों को जो भी उनका सवाल रहेगा तो हमें उनका जवाब, उसका सवाल का हमें जवाब देना पड़ेगा, राइट। इफ इज गेटिंग इनटू आर्गुमेंट टॉक, आगे ऑलरेडी टोल आप लोगों को बोल के उनकी 3 लगा के लोग रहेंगे, एक रहेगा प्रोटॉन मोरॉन एंड प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन एंड मोरॉन। आप लग रहा है कि बंदा मोरॉन है, बात नहीं समझ रहा, आर्गुमेंट कर रहा है, आपको लग रहा है कि इस बंदे के अंदर वो जाके हमारे तरफ ज्वाइन करने का माइंड है ही नहीं, उल्टा मेरे को ले रहा है बंदा, तो उसमें क्या करना है, जहां पे मान लो कि आप एक मच्छर आपको डिस्टर्ब करेगा, क्या करोगे आप, शो ऑफ कर दोगे, उसी तरह से क्या करना है, शो ऑफ कर देना, इनकेस वो बंदा उसका माइंड ही नहीं रहा, ठीक है, या एटलीस्ट आप उस समय क्या कर सकते हो, आप जाके प्लीज आप अपलाइन से कनेक्ट करा सकते हो, इनकेस मान लो कि अपलाइन का आपने प्रॉपर हाइप बनाया, ये उस समय बंदा रेडी रहा आगे मिलने के लिए, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो बंदा इंटरेस्ट है करके, ऐसा हो, तो वो बंदा बोला कि नहीं अपलाइन से मिलूंगा नहीं, मैं देखूंगा आप मेरे से मिलना, तो कहीं ना कहीं उसका कंप्लीट माइंड है कि आपको नहीं ज्वाइन करने का, सिर्फ खाली टाइम पास करने आ रहा था, आपके पास खाली टाइम रहा, सीखना कुछ चाहते हो तो बात करो, आपको लग रहा है कि और बेटर एक दूसरे काम मेरे पास यहाँ पे मैं पीपीटी कर सकता हूँ, तो उसके पास टाइम वेस्ट मत करना, आप आगे बढ़ना, ऐसा हो, बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस दैट की many times some people will just come like this randomly and they just waste your time. So if this price अब लग रहा है कि आगे वाला बंदा समझदार है, समझ पा रहा है कि वो क्या कर रहा है, वो क्या अच्छी कंपनी में, गलत कंपनी में, क्या सही कॉन्सेप्ट है, ऐसा होना, वो समझने के लिए रेडी है, सुनने के लिए रेडी है, समझने रेडी है, तब हम लोग सुना भी सकते हैं, हम लोग उसे बता भी सकते हैं। जब वो बंदा माइंडसेट बना के आया, मैं सुनूंगा नहीं, सिर्फ खाली सुना के जाऊंगा, तो हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, बेटर हमें अवॉइड करना पड़ेगा।
क्योंकि प्री जजमेंट नहीं करना चाहिए ना, इसलिए अब पहले से हमको दिखता है, फिर भी प्री जजमेंट करने से बहुत सारे लोग हमारे से डिस्कनेक्टेड हो जाते हैं, बोलकर हम उनको लाते हैं, तो उस वक्त हम लोग इस तरीके से हैंडल करना पड़ेगा।
तो हम लोगों से बात करेंगे, बात करने पर हम लोग जाके डिसाइड करेंगे क्या ये बंदा सुनने के लिए आया, क्या सुनाने के लिए आया। अब लग रहा है कि बंदा हमें हमारी बात सुनने रेडी है, आर्गुमेंट कर रहा है, तो आर्गुमेंट करने से बेटर है कि हम लोग अवॉइड करें, ऐसा ना, बिकॉज उसमें और जैसे वो आगे से बात करेगा उसी में दिख जाएगा हमें कि इसके बंदे के अंदर माइंडसेट में चल रहा क्या है। अब लग रहा है कि हाँ ये बंदा सुनने के माइंड में, तो हम लोग सुनाएंगे तो हमारी बात बनेगी वहां पे। अब लग रहा है कि बात सुनने नहीं आ रहा है बंदा, तो हम लोग एक्चुअली टाइम वेस्ट करें। आपके पास टाइम खाली पड़ा है, आपको मजे लेना है लोगों के, तो बिल्कुल बैठ के मजे ले सकते हैं। आपको लग रहा है यार मैं टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, बहुत बाकी और काम मेरे पास पड़ा है, वो करना बेटर है मेरे, तो आप अवॉइड कर सकते हो। नहीं तो आप मजे लेना, तो आप आराम से बैठ के मजे ले सकते, दिक्कत नहीं। तो इससे क्या होगा, आपको कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, कैसा लोग हैंडल करते हैं घर के, ऐसा। सो नथिंग गोज वेस्ट, कुछ ना कुछ आपको सीख तो मिल ही जाएगी आपको, कहीं ना सीख तो मिल ही जाएगी, ऐसा। थैंक यू सो मच सर, जज़ाकल्लाह। Guys, anybody has any doubts? Let me check in the chat box. किसी ने डाउट डाला क्या किसी ने? चलो, nobody has put any doubt. So I hope everybody, सब लोगों के doubts clear हो रहे हैं. I hope you all are like getting knowledge from the sessions and you're able to enjoy the session. ऐसा हो. So let's meet up tomorrow again with one more topic for the day. So what I'm teaching the topic, make sure that you're having a note so that in upcoming time can be helping hand for you. ऐसा हो guys. So thank you so much. So meet you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Wish you well. All the best. And one more thing, guys. Tomorrow I'll be taking a CNT meeting. I think right at 4 o'clock. I'll be just promoting it on a group. It will be a English CNT meeting. You can just invite your friends for tomorrow meeting, so that I'll be taking the CNT meeting at 4 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you so much. Wish you well.